Hey everyone, I'm gonna do a tutorial on strobing. Strobing is a dance move, it's an illusion. Oftentimes you'll see it in the dance style popping. It's a kind of a stop motion illusion that you can do with your hands or fingers, different body parts. And it's a really cool illusion to throw into your dance. It is kind of like dime stopping in that you do want to stop very quickly and abruptly. I'd say it's different from dime stopping in that it really has a time frame to it because you're doing a series. Dime stopping doesn't necessarily have to be in a series to be considered a dime stop. Dime stopping is just simply stopping on a dime, regardless of if you do one dime stop or multiple dime stops. So with strobing, I find it gets pretty advanced, definitely. What I usually do, this is what I did, was I took my hands like this. I started with my hands because it's kind of a simple thing to start with. And I hold my hands out like this, and I just come about this close like this. And then I make contact. Then you come off like that. You can come out like this. And what you want to do is you want to practice coming in like this without coming too close, like this. So you see how there's like a tiny bit of space like between my hands. So if you come close like this and then you try to strobe after that, it doesn't give you a lot of room to do the strobe when you're like this. So you want to practice coming, like I would give a good distance like this, coming in like this, and then giving yourself that space to strobe up to it like that. With strobing, a lot of times you'll use objects, right? You're gonna be coming like this, boom, boom. You're gonna touch your hat or your clothing, right? And when you're touching things, you want to make sure you have that space so that we're not like this, and then it's like you're barely moving there. There's not much illusion to that. So practice your spacing. Okay, so come like that, leave a good space, all the way down, off like this, leave a good space, all the way down. And then you can practice with your hands like that. Then what you can do is you can practice contacting other things. So you could come like this, give a good amount of space like that, all the way down, and make sure you're touching it when you come down. You don't want to be like sort of like this. You want to go like that, all the way down, so you're touching it, and then you can come off like that. Boom, 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 boom. And practice with both hands. Boom, 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 boom. Leave a space, down, boom, 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 boom. And that's gonna really help to clean up the strobing technique. You can practice with objects too. You can do the same thing, but use your fingers like this. So boom, grab with the fingers, come off. Boom, 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 boom. You can practice touching it like that. You can use an object like this and do like one hand coming on and off. Again, come close, all the way, off, boom, 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 boom. And practice often. If you practice often, it will get easier and you will be able to do this more like it's second nature. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want tutorials for other things, or if you would like maybe just a further explanation or something like that, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a good one.